If you want to automate your Instagram content workflow using Zapier and ChatGPT, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. We're going to set up a simple automation that can help you generate content, prepare images, and publish to Instagram for business on a schedule. This is a great way to save time, stay consistent, and make your posting process much easier. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll be able to create a new automation workflow called a Zap. This is where the magic happens because Zapier lets you connect different apps together without needing to code. Next, click Create, then select Zap Workflows. This will take you into the Zap Builder where you can start setting up each step of the automation. Think of this as building a simple system that runs on its own once it's live. Now it's time to set up your trigger. Click Trigger, then search for Schedule by Zapier. Select Schedule by Zapier from the list. For the trigger event, choose Every Day. This tells Zapier to run your workflow once a day automatically. If Zapier asks you to connect your account, go ahead and complete that step so the schedule can be saved properly. After that, you're going to add ChatGPT image generation. Click Action, then search for ChatGPT by OpenAI. Select Generate Image and connect your OpenAI account when prompted. This step is useful if you want your workflow to create visuals that can support your Instagram posts. Once that's in place, click plus add step again and search for ChatGPT by OpenAI one more time. This time, select Conversation. This gives you another ChatGPT step inside the same Zap, which can be used to generate captions, post ideas, hooks, or supporting text depending on how you want to structure your automation. Next, we're adding the Instagram publishing step. Click plus add step, then search for Instagram for Business. Select Publish Photo and connect your Instagram account. This is the part that lets Zapier send your content directly to Instagram Business, so your workflow can end with an actual published post. Now take a moment to review your setup and make sure each step is connected in the correct order. You should have your daily schedule trigger, then ChatGPT image generation, then ChatGPT conversation, and finally Instagram for Business. This sequence helps create a simple end-to-end automation that runs with minimal manual work. When everything looks good, click Build It at the top. Zapier will finalize the workflow and prepare it for publishing. After that, click Publish and your automation is live. From here on, Zapier can handle the process for you based on the schedule you created. And that's it. You've now learned how to automate your Instagram workflow with Zapier and ChatGPT in just a few steps. If this guide helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out more tutorials for easy automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.